Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee, and I've got a really nice little box truck here for you. This is a 2017 Ford, and that's an F450. That's not just a little one-ton, guys. That's got a 16,500-pound GVW on it, and I'm going to call that a 16-foot box, and that is a Supreme body right there. Nice aluminum body. Look at all the rivets here, and I'm going to show you on the inside why in just a little bit. Somebody got a little close here, so you don't have to worry about being the first one to scrape that one up. That's already come pre-scraped for you. And I want you to see on the back here, nothing wrong with that box back there. Nice solid little piece right there. Everything is complete. And in here, this has the hardwood floor. Nice. No holes, nothing weird or dumb, no holes in the ceilings. It's got all types of tie downs, and it's got paneling halfway up so that the wall protection. This bottom one here, I like that. That also acts as a pallet jack protection, so you don't have to worry about somebody running a pallet jack and poking a hole through the side. And as I say, it's a Supreme body, and it does have the power lift gate on it, and I'm not going to run it up all the way. I guess I can. There you go. So it does what it's supposed to do right there. That's a Waltco body, a Waltco power lift gate on it. This is a lease return, and look at this. I don't know if it's going to come up very clearly on here, but this has 6 brand new Michelin tires on it. Good, because it's a lease return, right? They got to bring it back in excellent condition. Spare tire looks like it's never been on the ground. Those Michelin tires, those are $500 a copy. There's $3,000 worth of tires alone on this thing. And also, since it's a lease return, they had to put this truck back into what they call commercial white. And so the cab was originally blue because that was the paint company's color. And their lease said that they had to return it in a commercial white condition, so they had to have it repainted. So it's got brand new paint on the exterior. The interior is phenomenal. Look at how clean this thing is. Everything is solid, nothing weird or dumb about it. Nice piece. Headliner's done, headliner's clean, doesn't look like it's ever had a rip or tear on it. Nice piece. Ford does a really good job. They got the front tow hooks on it right there, and I like the new front end they put on them. I think that's really a pretty truck. So on the inside of this, as I say, it's a 2017. So that does have a 16,500 pound GVW. Don't know if that'll show up on there for you or not, but we'll try. And sounds like the radio works. So we're going to just turn that off. Speaking of radios, right down here, that's also a CD player. So nice little piece right there. Driver's door ajar. Let's just start him up so that you can see what the mileage is on that. That is a whole 120,000 miles. That's it. Notice there's no check engine lights, nothing weird or dumb about it. Nice upgraded sound system. Up on top here, I'm going to try to block that light. You got your place for your auxiliary switches and all that kind of good stuff up there. This does have cruise control on it right here. It's got tilt wheel right down here. Nice little setup. It's got manual locks, manual windows. It's got 12 volts here. It's got more plugins down there. There's your input for the radio if you want to add one of your own recording mechanisms to it. And that's got the 3-passenger seating. Nice when you got a box truck. It's always nice to have extra help when you're loading stuff. 2017, 120,000 miles is all. Gas motor, no diesel problems, no DEF problems, none of that kind of stuff. Nice little truck. Kind of an extra tall box it looks like on there too. Standard size, full size spare. Nice little truck. Hey guys, if you can use that, 2017, you give me a call. My cell phone number, 602-510-5444. And of course, we're located right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And once again, as usual, I greatly appreciate you looking.